Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aji Saputra. Can be call me Aji. I'm from Diploma Marketing Management. I will present the final project with the title Influence of Marketing Through Instagram Social Media Against Interest in Using Expert Course Tutoring Service in 2020. My research object is a service company, namely is Expert Course. Expert Course is tutoring for students from university location in Bandung Technopark, founded in 2014 by Mr. Aldo. Expert Course provide the same offline course service as other conventional tutoring with face-to-face learning process with instructor and have academic grade for who are not understand with the lesson in campus. According to dailysocial.net, there are currently at least more than 500 startups in Indonesia. The potential of Indonesian internet user will increase from years to years. One of the potential is educational startup. The number of registrants to become PTN and PTS new student in Indonesia from years to years has increased. The Central Statistic Agency in 2019, Indonesia Statistic, the total number of Indonesian students entering 2018 total 7 million, grow 1.4% from the previous years, which amount to 6.7 million. In choosing a place for tutoring, someone will consider a lot of things and information about the tutoring itself, and company must have a strategy to convey product information to prospective customer. The company way to introduce product to customer quickly and easily. The company use social media as information dissemination platform, and company use Instagram social media to market their product. According to data obtained from wearesocial.com, regarding the most active social media platform in 2019, Instagram is in the fourth position the number of social media users in Indonesia. According to data obtained from the company, there is a decrease in the number of expert course service users. This is company's concern, and this makes Instagram social media more active. Researchers are interested in conducting research on the influence of social media marketing through Instagram on the interest in using expert course tutoring service. This is formula of the problem. Point 1. How do customers respond to marketing using the Instagram expert course social media? Point 2. How are customers interested in using the service of an expert course? Point 3. What is the influence of marketing using social media Instagram on customer buying interest in the expert course? According to American Marketing Association, marketing is the activity set of institution and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and executing offering that have value for customer, client, partner, and society of large. According to Kotler and Armstrong, marketing management is the art and science of choosing target market and building profitable relationship with them. According to Priyansa, social media is media designed to facilitate social interaction that is interactive or two-way. Internet technology based on internet technology changed the pattern of information dissemination from previously one to many. According to her, a delivering of social media marketing using 4C, namely context, communication, collaboration, and connection. Context is how someone form a story or message. Communication, how share stories that someone heard, respond and send message. Collaboration is way working together that aim to make things good, efficient, and effective. And connection is way how they maintain and develop relationship that have been met. According to Quake, state that buying interest can be classified as part of cognitive behavior that influenced by the perception and interpretation of the environment of customer regarding customer attention in buying a brand. According to Pitt, measurement of the effectiveness of marketing communication can be seen in the customer response model of company promotion, IDA model, attention, interest, desire, and action. This is framework I use two variable, one variable independent and one variable dependent, and I make two hypotheses. One, there is a significant influence between social media marketing through Instagram on buying interest. H0, there is no significant influence between social media marketing through Instagram on buying interest. The research approach uses a quantitative approach with data analysis of a statistical or numerical nature with the aim of descriptive and causal research. Data collection technique using questionnaire, sampling technique using non-probability sampling with a distribution of questionnaire to 100 respondents obtained using the formula Bernoulli, and I use simple linear regression. To test the validity of the data, I use a test of validity using one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov, normality using product moment, and reliability using Hornbach alpha technique. And to test my hypothesis, I use the Q-test and the coefficient of determination. This is characteristic respondent. From the characteristic of respondent by gender, dominant female by 58% and male by 42%. Characteristic respondent based on age, dominant age 21 to 25 by 72%, and by faculty, dominant from the faculty of applied science by 50%, and characteristic of respondent based on frequency of use of Instagram. Dominant respondent use Instagram for 3 to 5 hours with a percentage of 45%. This is a descriptive analysis based on the picture above, which is a continuum line stats. The social media marketing variable has an average percentage of 76% and categorized as good. Based on the picture above, which continuum line stats, the buying interest variable has an average percentage of 77.52% and categories as good. This is a classic assumption test. Normality tests show the significant 0.200 higher than 0.05. It is conclude that the data are normality distributed. Heteroscedasticity test does to make pattern, and the point spread between line 0, it can be concluded that there is no heteroscedasticity problem, so that a good and ideal regression model can be fulfilled. This is a validity test and reliability test to variable X. Social media marketing, all question in variable X is valid. All R account value greater than R table. 0.195, it can conclude variable x is valid, and Cronbach alpha value is 0.918 greater than 0.70, it can conclude variable x is reliable. Then variable y buying interest, all question in variable y is valid, all r account value greater than r table 0.195, it can conclude variable y is valid, and Cronbach alpha value is 0.907 greater than 0.70, it can conclude variable y is reliable. And this simple linear regression and t-test in the formula is y equal a plus bx, y equal 1.272 plus 0.705x. Formula t-table df equal n minus k minus 1 equal 100 minus 1 equal 98, and the table equal 1.984. According to the account value variable x 20.306 higher than the table, and significant value 0.000 lower than 0.05. In conclude, there is a significant influence of variable x and on variable y. It was concluded that hypothesis 1 was accepted and hypothesis 0 was rejected. Then there is a significant influence of variable x on variable y. From the table, besides show that the R-square determination coefficient value in this study is 0.806 or 80.6%, which means that social media variable affect the purchase interest variable by 80.6, while the remaining 19.4% or 0.194 in influenced by variable order that are not researched. That's all the presentation, my final project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.